Hello everyone, welcome back to GrowMed. This channel is a one-stop guide for all the FMG aspirants. Here you can find all you need for the FMG. So subscribe to GrowMed and tap the bell icon to get regular study tips. In this video, we will be discussing about the necrosis. So this is the most basic topic from the pathology as well as the most important topic because questions are repeatedly asked on this topic, mostly the types of the necrosis. So we will be looking at those types along with the images because image based questions are also favorite of the examiners and they usually like to ask the image based questions. So we will be looking at the image and also the description. So there are 5 types of necrosis, that is the coagulative, liquefactive, caseous, fibrinoid and the fat necrosis. So we will look the findings of it and also in which condition we can see this. Coagulative necrosis, it is the most common type and occurs in most of the organs. But there is one exception, that is the CNS. In the CNS, liquefactive necrosis occurs. So the most common reason for the coagulative necrosis is the hypoxia, that is the cell death. So whenever there is hypoxia, the cell will be dying, leading to the necrosis. The important finding seen in the coagulative necrosis is this triangular shaped infarct, and this is called as the tombstone appearance. So as you can see this image, this is the image of the kidney and there is infection, and this infection is a triangular in shape. So questions can be asked giving this image that which kind of necrosis is seen in the image. Okay, then moving on, liquefactive necrosis. So liquefactive necrosis is most commonly seen in the CNS, that is usually in the brain, and it is also known as colligative necrosis. As you can see here in this image, this is the necrosis and this is seen in the brain. This is mostly associated with the formation of the abscess, and due to which there will be enzymatic degradation will be seen. And this is also associated with pyogenic infections. Then moving on to the caseous necrosis. This caseous necrosis is the very favorite question of the FMGE because it is associated with the TB, and TB is the most important topic for the FMGE. So in this caseous necrosis, what you can see here in this image is that the necrotic part, it looks like cheese. It gives a cheesy appearance. So this is called as cheese-like appearance. Along with the TB, this is seen in various other infections like the fungal infection and then syphilis. Okay, so you need to remember these points as well. Then moving on to the fibrinoid necrosis. This type of necrosis is associated with immune complex diseases, and it is a type of a hypersensitivity reaction, and the hypersensitivity reaction type 3. There is deposition of the fibrin and the fibrinoid material in the necrotic part. This type of necrosis is seen with 3 important diseases, and those are the malignant hypertension, Aschoff bodies, which are seen in the rheumatic heart disease, and polyarthritis nodosa. As you can see here in this image, this is the image of the arterial wall, and here this bright white material you can see, this is the neutrophils giving this appearance. So you need to remember this image because image based question can be asked. Then moving on to a special type of necrosis, that is fat necrosis. This is commonly seen in the organs which are containing fat like the pancreas, then the breast, omentum. And the classical findings seen with the fatty necrosis is that there will be chalky white deposition seen. In this fat necrosis, there is activation of the enzyme, that is the lipase enzyme, and this enzyme will be destroying the cells causing necrosis. As you can see here in this image, this is the image of the pancreas, and if I zoom it, you can see here these chalky white deposits. So these are the calcifications which are seen with the fat necrosis. So this was a quick revision and an overview video of the necrosis and the points which you must know. For more such useful videos related to the FMGE, subscribe to GrowMed and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best for your FMGE. Thank you. Bye bye.